Chosen ones, I am so glad that you are here with me on this beautiful day. I want to let you in on a little secret. And that secret is someone has changed their mind about you and they don't know why. I want to repeat it just one more time. Somebody has changed their mind about you and they don't know why. I want you to understand, because of everything that you have gone through in your life, that you are beginning to shine. You're beginning to put out so much good energy into this environment. Things are beginning to take form in your life. Fear has been instructed to leave you in the name of Jesus, and peace has taken residence inside of you and with you. When you have just righteousness and peace ruling you and governing your life, things about you began to change. You are the reason that they have changed their mind about you. But here's the good news about it. You didn't even get them or try to get them to change their mind. The only thing that you did was to fix your mind on the things above. The only thing that you did was forget about the past and rewrite and redirect your mind about your future. The only action that you took was massive action when it came to seeking God. I want you to know that the most attractive thing that a person can ever have is that divine relationship, divinity, that spiritual awareness of who God is and who you are. You figuring yourself out, you taking the time to really be serious about yourself, has began to just allow things in your life to take form. It has been a spiritual ripple effect of goodness that is pursuing you. Everything that you desired from the inside of your heart and your soul has began to seek you. Every good thing is seeking you. Money is seeking you. Peace is seeking you. Healing is seeking you. Love is seeking you. Just greatness is seeking you. And it's somebody in your life today that has just had an abrupt change of heart towards you. I'm talking about people that couldn't stand you, love you. Somebody that has wronged you and did everything that they can to break you are submitting to you today. They're seeking your friendship. They're seeking your love. They're seeking your reconciliation. It is greatness all around you and through you. And it's mainly because of who you're connected to. Oh, because baby, when you are connected to the divine intelligence of the Most High, then everything good begins to seek you. You are so spiritually connected to our Father in heaven that your enemy has no choice but to succumb to the presence of God in your life. That person used to be an enemy of yours. Now that person wants to be your friend. And it's mainly because you refused to budge. You refused to change. You refused to go back. You refused to accept less than you deserve. And because of your mere stubbornness, when it came to God, your mere determination to be one with Him, your determination to be the absolute best version of you has began to change your circumstances around you. See, at first your circumstances used to make you sad and they used to make you cry. But because you learned to ignore your circumstances and really plug in to the presence of our Father in heaven, you plugged into the presence of God, and all good things that is connected to Him is now pursuing you. Even the heart of your enemy has been changed. and they don't understand why. They love you, and they don't understand why. They want to do everything they can to help you accomplish what you're here to accomplish in this land. And they have changed their mind about you. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe in you. Bye now.